Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EVL Podcast. My name is Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, Mike. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good. A little nervous, but good.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Well, today we talk about doctors, going to the doctor, and I don't like doctors.
You don't like doctors?
No, I like doctors. Doctors are good, but going to the doctor is hard. Very hard.
Ah, I understand. Going to the doctor is hard, especially in English.
Yes, in English, that's the problem. I feel scared.
You feel scared. Many people feel scared. This is normal.
Really?
Really, many people feel scared. You are not alone. Going to the doctor in English is difficult. But today, we help you. We make it easier.
Good. I need help.
And our listeners need help too. So today, we talk about going to the doctor. We learn simple words. We practice easy sentences. And we tell a story.
A story?
Yes, a story about going to the doctor. A real story. Simple and clear.
Okay, I like stories.
Good. So let's start. Sarah, why is going to the doctor difficult in English?
Oh, many reasons, many reasons. First, the words, the vocabulary. I don't know the words.
You don't know the words. This is a big problem. Medical words are hard. Even for native speakers, medical words are hard.
Yes, and the doctor asks questions, fast questions. I don't understand.
The doctor asks questions and you don't understand. This happens to many people.
And I'm scared. I'm scared to make mistakes. What if I say the wrong thing?
You're scared to make mistakes. This is normal. But listen carefully. Mistakes are okay. Doctors understand. Doctors work with many people, many different people. They understand when you make mistakes.
Really?
Really. Doctors are patient. They want to help you. They don't care about perfect English. They care about your health.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let's learn some important words, simple words, basic words. These words help you at the doctor.
Okay, I'm ready.
First word, doctor. Doctor.
Doctor, that's easy. Doctor.
Yes, easy word. Doctor. The person who helps you when you are sick. Doctor. Sarah, say a sentence with doctor.
I go to the doctor.
Perfect. I go to the doctor. Good sentence. Next word, appointment. Appointment.
Appointment. Appointment.
Yes, appointment. This is a meeting, a time. You make an appointment with the doctor. You choose a time to see the doctor.
I make an appointment.
Exactly. I make an appointment. Good. Next word, sick. Sick.
Sick. I know this word. Sick means not healthy.
Correct. Sick means not healthy. You feel bad. Your body doesn't feel good. You are sick. Another word is ill. Ill. Same meaning.
Sick and ill. Same?
Same meaning. You can say, I am sick or I am ill. Both are correct.
Okay, I am sick. I am ill.
Good. Next word, pain. Pain.
Pain. This is hurt?
Yes, pain is hurt. When something hurts, you have pain. Pain. My head has pain. Or, I have pain in my head.
I have pain in my head.
Perfect. Next word, medicine. Medicine.
Medicine. Medicine. This is what the doctor gives you?
Exactly. Medicine. Pills, liquid, sometimes cream. The doctor gives you medicine. You take medicine. The medicine helps you feel better.
I take medicine.
Good. And one more important word, symptoms. Symptoms.
Symptoms. This is hard.
Symptoms. This word means the things you feel when you are sick. For example, you have a cough. The cough is a symptom. You have a fever. The fever is a symptom. Symptoms are the signs of sickness.
Oh, okay. Symptoms are the signs.
Yes, signs of sickness. The doctor asks, what are your symptoms? This means, how do you feel? What is wrong?
What are your symptoms?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about body parts. When you go to the doctor, you talk about your body. You say where you have pain.
Body parts. Okay.
Head. Your head.
Head. Easy.
Stomach. Your stomach. Here, in the middle.
Stomach. My stomach hurts.
Good sentence. My stomach hurts. Back. Your back. Behind you.
Back. I have pain in my back.
Perfect. And throat. Your throat. Inside here, when you swallow.
Throat. My throat hurts.
Excellent. So now you know important words. Doctor, appointment, sick, pain, medicine, symptoms, and body parts. Head, stomach, back, throat.
Yes, these are good words.
Now, let's tell a story, a simple story about going to the doctor. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, imagine this. You wake up one morning, you don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
You don't feel well. Your head hurts, your stomach hurts, you feel hot.
Oh no, that's bad.
Yes, not good. So what do you do?
I need to go to the doctor?
Correct. You need to go to the doctor. But first, you need an appointment. You call the doctor's office.
I call the doctor's office. What do I say?
Good question. You say, "Hello, I need an appointment, please."
Hello, I need an appointment, please.
Perfect. Simple. Clear. The person on the phone says, "Of course. When do you want to come?"
When do I want to come?
Yes, they ask about the time. You can say, "Today, please, I feel sick."
Today, please. I feel sick.
Good. They say, "Okay, come at 2 o'clock."
Come at 2 o'clock. Okay.
So you go to the doctor at 2 o'clock. You arrive at the clinic. A clinic is a place where doctors work. You go inside.
I go inside the clinic.
Yes, you go to the front desk. The receptionist is there. The receptionist is the person at the desk. They say, "Hello, do you have an appointment?"
Yes, I have an appointment.
Good. They say, "What is your name?"
My name is Sarah.
Perfect. Then they say, "Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
Please sit down. Okay.
You sit and wait. After a few minutes, a nurse comes. The nurse says, "Sarah, please come with me."
I go with the nurse.
Yes, the nurse takes you to a small room. You sit on a bed, a special bed for patients. The nurse asks, "How do you feel today?"
How do I feel? I feel sick.
Good. You say, "I feel sick." The nurse says, "Okay, the doctor will come soon."
The doctor will come soon.
Then the doctor comes in. The doctor says, "Hello, Sarah. I'm Dr. Brown. What's wrong today?"
What's wrong? I feel sick?
Yes, you say, "I feel sick." But the doctor wants more information. The doctor asks, "What are your symptoms?"
What are my symptoms? Oh, my head hurts, my throat hurts.
Excellent. You say, "My head hurts, my throat hurts, I feel hot." Simple sentences. Clear. The doctor understands.
The doctor understands. Good.
The doctor says, "Okay, let me check." The doctor looks at your throat. The doctor touches your stomach. The doctor listens to your heart.
The doctor checks me.
Yes, the doctor checks you. Then the doctor says you have a virus, a small sickness. You need rest, and you need medicine.
I need rest and medicine.
Correct. The doctor writes something on paper. This is a prescription. A prescription. The doctor gives you the prescription and says, "Take this to the pharmacy. The pharmacy will give you medicine."
Take this to the pharmacy.
Yes, the pharmacy is the place where you get medicine. You take the prescription to the pharmacy.
Okay, and then?
The doctor says, "Take the medicine 2 times every day. Drink water, rest, you will feel better soon."
Take the medicine 2 times every day. Drink water, rest.
Perfect, you understand. The doctor says, "Do you have questions?"
Do I have questions? How long? How long will I be sick?
Good question. How long will I be sick? The doctor says, maybe 3 or 4 days. But if you don't feel better, come back.
3 or 4 days. If I don't feel better, come back.
Exactly. Then you say, "Thank you, doctor."
Thank you, doctor.
And the doctor says, "You're welcome. Take care." You leave the clinic, you go to the pharmacy, you give them the prescription, they give you the medicine, you go home.
That's the story?
That's the story. Simple, right?
Yes, simple. I understand.
Good. Now let's practice some important phrases. Phrases you can use at the doctor. Ready?
Ready.
First phrase, I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Again, I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Good. Next phrase, I have pain here, and you point to the place.
I have pain here.
Yes, point and say, I have pain here. Simple, clear.
I have pain here.
Next phrase, it hurts. Very simple. It hurts.
It hurts.
You can say, my head hurts, or my stomach hurts, or just point and say, it hurts.
It hurts. Easy.
Next phrase, I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
This is a good phrase. Polite, clear. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Next phrase, I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
If you are very sick, you say, I need a doctor. Emergency, important.
I need a doctor.
Next phrase, can you help me?
Can you help me?
This is a polite question. Can you help me? People want to help you. Don't be afraid to ask.
Can you help me?
And one more phrase, how long? This asks about time. How long will I be sick? How long do I take medicine?
How long?
Yes, how long? Very useful question.
How long?
Excellent. Now let's do a little role play. I will be the doctor, you are the patient, okay?
Okay. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. This is practice. Just try. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mike. What's wrong today?
I feel sick.
You feel sick. What are your symptoms?
My head hurts and my throat hurts.
Your head hurts and your throat hurts. Okay. How long do you feel sick?
How long? 2 days.
2 days. Okay. Let me check your throat. Open your mouth, please.
Okay.
Your throat is red. You have an infection. I will give you medicine.
Medicine. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take the medicine 3 times every day, okay?
3 times every day. Okay.
Good. That was great, Sarah.
Really? I made mistakes.
Small mistakes, very small. But the doctor understood you. That's important. The doctor understood you.
The doctor understood me.
Yes, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear enough. Simple words, simple sentences. That's enough.
Simple words, simple sentences. Enough.
Exactly. Now let's do the role play again, but this time a little faster, more natural. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, what brings you in today?
I don't feel well. My stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurts. How long?
Since yesterday.
Since yesterday. Do you have pain here?
Yes, it hurts.
Okay, I think you ate something bad. Rest today, drink water, no heavy food.
Rest, water, no heavy food. Okay.
Perfect. See? Natural, easy. You did great.
Thank you, Mike. That was good practice.
You're welcome. And remember, listeners, practice is important. Practice these phrases. Say them out loud. Alone in your room. Practice. It helps.
Yes, practice helps. I feel more confident now.
Good. Confidence is important. When you go to the doctor, try to stay calm. Speak slowly. Use simple words. The doctor will understand.
Speak slowly, simple words.
Yes, and if you don't understand something, ask. Say, I don't understand. Please say again.
I don't understand. Please say again.
Perfect. It's okay to ask. Doctors know that English is hard for some patients. They will help you.
They will help me.
Yes, doctors want to help. That's their job. So don't be afraid. Don't be embarrassed. Just try. Your health is important. More important than perfect English.
My health is more important than perfect English.
Exactly. So let's review. Let's remember the important words from today. Doctor.
Doctor.
Appointment.
Appointment.
Sick.
Sick.
Pain.
Pain.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Symptoms.
Symptoms.
And body parts. Head.
Head.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Back.
Back.
Throat.
Throat.
Very good. And remember the important phrases. I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I have pain here.
I have pain here.
It hurts.
It hurts.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Excellent. These phrases are your tools. Use them. They help you communicate. They help the doctor understand you.
These phrases help me communicate.
Yes. And one more thing. Before you go to the doctor, prepare. Think about your symptoms. Think about how you feel. Maybe write down important words in English. This helps you remember.
Write down important words. Good idea.
Yes, preparation helps. You feel less nervous. You feel more ready.
I feel more ready.
And remember, you can bring someone with you, a friend, a family member, someone who speaks English well. They can help you translate. This is okay. Doctors understand.
I can bring a friend.
Yes, don't go alone if you feel very nervous. Bring support. It's okay.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. So, to finish today, let's remember the main points. Going to the doctor in English is hard, but you can do it.
You can do it.
Speak simple words, simple sentences. Speak slowly. The doctor will understand.
Simple words, simple sentences. Speak slowly.
Yes. And if you don't understand something, ask. Say, please say again.
Please say again.
Perfect. It's okay to ask. Doctors know that English is hard for some patients. They will help you.
They will help me.
Yes, doctors want to help. That's their job. So don't be afraid. Don't be embarrassed. Just try. Your health is important, more important than perfect English.
My health is more important than perfect English.
Exactly. So let's remember the main points. Going to the doctor in English is hard, but you can do it.
You can do it.
Speak simple words, simple sentences. Speak slowly. The doctor will understand.
Simple words, simple sentences. Speak slowly.
If you don't understand something, ask. Say, please say again.
Please say again.
Perfect. It's okay to ask. Doctors know that English is hard for some patients. They will help you.
They will help me.
Yes, doctors want to help. That's their job. So don't be afraid. Don't be embarrassed. Just try. Your health is important, more important than perfect English.
My health is more important than perfect English.
Exactly. So, listeners, we hope this episode helps you. We hope you feel more ready to go to the doctor. Remember, you are not alone. Many people feel nervous, but you can do this.
You can do this.
Use the words we learned today. Use the phrases. Take your time. Breathe. You will be okay.
You will be okay.
And if you want, listen to this episode again. Listen many times. Repetition helps. Repetition is good for learning.
Listen again. Repetition helps.
Yes. So, thank you for listening today. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you, everyone.
Take care of your health, practice your English, and we will see you next time.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.